Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cross just by doing crochet. So let's begin. Firstly, take your favorite color of string, hold it between your thumb and middle finger, twist it around your index finger like this, and on the second round take it on the back side. Then taking your crochet needle, pass it through the first circle and pull out the second circle through the first. Leave the ring out and that will be your magic circle. And now you will simply form 3 single crochets on that circle like this. Thereafter we will form double crochet in this way. Once you do the double crochet, you should have 3 loops on the needle. Pull the string through first 2, then pull it through next 2. Twist the string around the needle, put the needle through the magic ring. Pull the string, form 3 loops, pull the string through first 2 loops and then through next 2 loops. So that's how you form the double crochet. Once you have these 3 lines, then you will do 3 single crochets like this at the end of the double crochet. Again, you will perform the double crochet inside the magic ring, and this time there will be 3 double crochets. So this is my first double crochet. Again, yarn over, go inside the ring, yarn over again, pull the string through first 2, string to next 2. Again, this is the third one that I am doing. Once I have completed my 3 double crochets, now I will do the 3 single crochets, and now followed by 3 double crochets. So you're going to perform this format till you have 4 of such parts. So I will tell you what are those 4 parts once this is completed. Again, 3 single crochet and then 3 double crochet. Remember your count, because if you get confused with the count, it will be a problem. Okay, now we have come to the end of the middle portion of the cross. I am doing 3 single crochets and I will attach it at the start point. Before that, see that you pull the loose tail and make the magic ring small. Now let's attach this part with a slip stitch in this way. That's it. And as you can see, there are 4 parts in this center square kind of thing that I have. That's it. Now you will perform a slip stitch to land at the portion, this empty portion. We have to land in this empty area, so I'm going to do slip stitch. So this is my next slip stitch. One was to attach, this is the second one, so that I can move my thread further to work on the part, and this is my third one, and I am come to that area which has an empty gap, and now I will do 3 single crochets like this and then 2 double crochets inside the same gap. So you know already how to do the double crochet, the same method, but now there's a pattern you have to follow. So once you do the 2 double crochets there, again you do 3 single crochets. Go inside the gap to perform a double crochet. One double crochet, and this is the second double crochet. And now we'll do single crochets, 3 single crochets, and go into the same gap. So you start with 3 single crochet in the gap, then 2 double crochet, again a single crochet, then a double crochet, and then end it with a single crochet again. Now here is my slip stitch at the end of the 3 single crochet in the same gap, and then I will move my yarn to the next gap. For that I'll do slip stitch, 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, and the 3rd slip stitch. That's it. This is one side of the cross. Now I'm going to work on the second side of the cross. Same way, once you have landed to the empty gap there, you do 3 single crochets, then 2 double crochets, again 3 single crochets, into the ring do 2 double crochets, and then again end with a 3 single crochet and a slip stitch. Wow, so I'm done with 2 of them. Now to reach to the other gap, I have to perform slip stitches and land to the other empty space, and then same process, 3 single crochet, 2 double crochet, again a single crochet, 2 double crochet, again end with a single crochet. So it's a pattern which will keep repeating till you go towards the end of the cross. With this I will be finishing 3 sides of the cross there. See, 3 sides are done. Now again with the slip stitch land here. So let's keep on doing slip stitches till we land to the empty space. I'm sure till here you have found it easy. Again in the gap we are going to do 3 single crochets, then 2 double crochets. These 3 single crochets are chains. Okay, do not do one by one, it's a chain of 3 single crochet as you can see in the video. Keep doing the same pattern, and once we come to the end of it, that's ending up with the 3 chain single crochets, 1 2 3, go inside the gap and form a slip stitch. That's it. Now we turn our work and form a single crochet, just 1 single crochet, and again to land in the gap you got to do slip stitches. However, before performing the slip stitch, this much of a pattern you should have in hand. Okay, and then let's work on the longer part of the cross. So for that, again to land to the gap you will do slip stitches in each of those lines. So first slip stitch, there, second slip stitch, and then finally third one, and we are there. Again your pattern follows 3 chains of single crochet followed by 2 double crochets, chain of single crochet followed by 2 double crochets, chain of 3 single crochets, again in the gap a slip stitch, turn your work and do a single crochet. That's it. This much. You can stop here, but I feel it looks empty. That's why we'll make one more bit. Again, slip stitch to land at the center. Once you have reached the gap, the pattern follows 3 chains of single crochets, then 2 double crochets, again 3 chains of single crochets, 2 double crochets, followed by 3 chains of single crochet, slip stitch inside, end it up with a single crochet knot. Now friends, if you forget the knot, it's okay, because that's the end of it, but see that you do not pull out the thread. So this is the finished version. So if you haven't done the single crochet, don't worry, just cut off the excess of the thread and pull the loop out, not the tail, the loop. Pull the loop out and the tail up above. That's it, and your knot is formed. And that's how cute our cross looks, colorful, rainbow colored. So now what I'm doing is I'm adjusting this extra string between the stitches to hide it. And once you have hidden the string, this is the final look of the cross that we just made. Isn't it cute and super simple? Do let me know in the comments, how did y'all enjoy watching this, and are y'all going to try it out? This is another one that I have made. You can have it as a Bible bookmark or a keychain, or hang it in the car. So friends, do share it with others. You can use this for gifting purpose as well. And for more interesting tips, tricks and hacks, do not forget to subscribe.